Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling the traffic indicator so real-time data appears. Open Settings, then Notifications and Control Center. Once there, tap Status Bar or Control Center to reveal traffic options. Turn on the Mobile Data Traffic or Data Usage display. This places a live traffic counter in the status area. Make sure your phone is using the SIM and mobile network. Otherwise, the counter stays blank. Once done, you'll see numbers appear near the signal icon when data moves. Next, add a quick tile so you can view or toggle data quickly. Pull down the notification shade and tap Edit or Manage Tiles. Once the grid opens, find Mobile Data or Data Usage in the Hidden Tiles list. Drag that tile into the Active Tiles area and position it where you want. This creates a one-tap view or shortcut. Make sure to save or exit edit mode properly. After that, swipe down and tap the new tile to display live usage or open the data details. Finally, verify everything so the indicator works consistently. Confirm your SIM is active and mobile data is on, then restart the phone to apply changes. If the traffic number or quick tile still fails to show, check System App Permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, find the Traffic or Status app, and allow network and notification permissions. If problems continue, toggle the setting off and on once more. This refresh often fixes stale UI elements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.